Hi friends, I am Madhyalagan, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. Today on lecture series videos of topic of subject web development basics. So first topics, what is HTML? So HTML stand for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is used to create a web page. HTML define the structure of a web page. HTML uses tag to display the content, and tags are written inside the angular bracket. Most HTML tags have opening and closing pair. HTML5 is the latest version. The HTML expand for hypertext markup language. Why using HTML? It is the creating for the one website creations using a web browser to create a web page. It should be structure of the web page. We can create using HTML codes and tags to display the content. So tags, it's the means for angular bracket, open angular bracket and close angular bracket. They have written inside the code. So HTML tag have opening and closes bar. So latest version of HTML, it is the HTML5. It is the latest. Next one is declaring HTML5 document. The HTML is the root of element. So head contain the metadata. So body, it is the content, the visible content, and h1 to h6 is define the heading. P for define a paragraph. This is based on we have a use it on the HTML. So it is the root of element HTML. Content, it is the header file we have a declaring in body is the visible content of the programming content. h1 gets to it is the based on the define the heading, and P for the paragraph. Next one is the we have a creating a hyperlink. So image is a display the image, the whatever image we have including in the your product or project images, whatever it is. And div, it is the called on the division is the block level of the container. Span is an inline container, and OL அப்படிங்கிறது the order list, and UL it is the unordered list. It is the creator for the your list, and LI it's the define the list items. So table, create a table. Table means we have a time table, whatever it is we have a use it on the table in the create a angular bracket open bracket table. Next one is the form. Form, it's a collect a user input, and input it's a create a input field. So button, create a clickable button, and HTML support audio and video. Video, it is the called as the embedded video. Audio, it is the embeds audio. Style, it is the add internal CSS. CSS code, CSS means code styling sheets. It is the based on merge on the HTML, and we have one stylish sheet of HTML page. It's a styling sheet of very important. So we have a use it on the CSS. So it is the based on this type of we have a use it. Next one is the script. Script means add the JavaScript. I have add in the HTML web page, and a link, and connect external CSS. So next one is the HTML support semantic tag, and header. It is the define the top sections, and footer define the bottom sections. So sections, it is the group contains. So article, it is the represent independent content, and navy, it is the define the navigation of menu. This type of we have use it on the HTML page. I have added in the JavaScript, and external CSS I have use it in the HTML, and HTML service semantic tag, for example header, footer, sections, article, navigations. This type we have use it on. Next one is the HTML supported for multiple object and files. So HTML support images, links, text, table, and forms. So HTML is easy to learn. HTML is supported by the all browser. HTML work with the CSS and JavaScript. HTML is the backbone of all websites. Thank you.